Hello. This is a letter T activity. Letter T is for tabletop toilet paper roll, totally terrific organizer. Okay. I had to add the totally terrific in there for the alliteration. All right. But letter T is tabletop toilet paper roll, totally terrific organizer. All right. So you can do it with as many rolls as you want. I have 7 rolls for our activity today. Okay, so what we're gonna do is basically just cut these rolls and glue them in different kinds of cuts. All right, so my foundation is gonna be, what do I want to do? 3 or 4? So I was gonna do 3 of them full, and then 1, 2, 3 as 2/3, and 1 I can cut into 1/3 and just put it around here, as well as the 1/3 from there. So that's what I'm going to do. So I have 3 of them. So let me glue these 3 together. Okay, so hang on. Let me pause you just for a moment. Actually, I can just do it right now. It's going to be quick. Okay, so get some toilet paper, empty rolls. Okay, get some glue on the roll. Okay, so that's 1. And then here. I want to make sure it gets both sides. Okay, so if you have a workstation, a work desk where you're doing work, especially if you're working from home, doing school from home this summer or in the school year, or homeschooling for any reason, then this is something that you can make homemade. You can decorate it, right? Paint it if you'd like, different colors, and use it in your home office or wherever it's going to be. And if you're, if a child student participates in making it, then it's just going to be something fun to use. When you know that you've made it, it's going to be fun to use. All right, on 3 of them, we are cutting off 1/3, just the top 1/3. Does not have to be perfect. All right, please be super careful with the scissors. Watch your fingers. Okay, 3 of them, we're cutting off 1/3. And 1 of them, we're cutting into thirds. So it's 3 big full ones here, 3 that are now 2/3 of size. And now we have our little 1/3 pieces. And this is going to join them. Okay, perfect. Now with our glue, we can really make any kind of design we want. I'm going to do something like this with these scattered around. So let me pause you while I glue these together, and then I'll show you and you can take a look. Okay, so just so you can see what's going on. So I put a little piece of paper here just for it to dry on. Oh no. Okay, so I put 1 here on this corner, on this side I mean, and I put 1 here on this side, and 1 here on this side. Just give it a little turn so it gets some glue to different sides. So now it looks like this. Okay, so it's 6 of them, just like this. All right, and now I'm going to get glue on all of these individual ones, and I was just going to get them all around here. 1. So how many do I have? I have 6. So I was going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so let me get some glue on them. Give me a sec. Okay, I put some glue, and now I will put them in place. So we 1. Two. 3. 4. 5. And 6. Okay, so it ends up looking just like this. If you have a rubber band, maybe I don't want to squeeze it. Do I have a loose rubber band? Let's see if I have a larger one that will stretch a little better. Well, I really don't want to over squeeze it. Oh, I think this might be a little too tight. Okay, this might be a little too tight, but just so I can kind of hold it up and show you, yeah, it's a little too tight. Okay, don't ruin it, rubber band. I'm sorry. Ugh. Okay, the rubber band. Unless you have a larger rubber band, the rubber band gets a little too tight. All right, that's okay. We can always fix this. Okay. There we go. All right, back to how we had it. Okay, so I can hold it like this. So it kind of looks like a beehive almost. Oh no! All right, so gotta let this dry clearly here. So you know what? Why don't I give it some time to dry, and I'll come back with a finished product so that we can take a look. Okay, so get all of these on here. Nice and circular. Beautiful. Okay, so let me go ahead and give this a pause, let it dry, and we'll check it out when it's done. And you know what I just decided actually, before I let you go, I'm gonna use some string to hold it together. So you can actually put it in a box to hold it together. You know, that's something that'll work too if there's a space that it fits into. Right, you might have to turn some of these pieces around to make them fit into the spots a little better. For example, like this, right? So a little bit of turning, get it into our spots. Beautiful, perfect. All right, get a little piece of string going around this bottom level. To hold it all together, just like that. Okay, and if you ever don't want the string to have to be fully tied, all right, you just put the tip, oh, I don't know if you can see, just put a little bow in here, just like you're tying a shoe. Might need a little help with this. Get it in. And this way it'll hold its place. And it's a little hard to see since there's so much other knot here. But this way it'll hold its place. We won't have to untie it. Okay, make sure everything is touching. Make sure everything is in. There we go, beautiful. All right, so it ends up looking like this. I'm gonna let it dry, but see it's like this circular shape. I have some varying long ones in the middle, 3 long ones in the middle, 3 that are 2/3 on the outside of that, and all my 1/3, so it's 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, which is a full, right? But we don't have to talk about fractions, just the setup right here. So this becomes a tabletop organizer where you can put pens and pencils and longer objects up here, pens, markers, right? Ruler maybe. Okay, down here could be something shorter, maybe scissors, or other short items. And down here we could put all of our small items like rubber bands or paper clips, anything like that. So it gives us different sizes to work with. Okay, we can always paint it to make it look a little nicer. And you know what? Maybe I'm gonna let this dry, paint it, and show you a final result. Okay, so hang tight and we'll see how that one will look. Okay, so here we are 24 hours later. It's not fully dried, but the gluing dried. I painted it. And here is how it looks. Yes, I did a little green and black on the inside, red and green on the outside. And so we have these multi-layers where we can put different things. We can put pencils, markers, pens, and our top ones, maybe scissors, clothespin, okay, and some bottom ones. I have some rubber bands that we can fit here in these openings, my string. Okay, so some different uses, some different ways to use the different compartments, putting different things in different places, right? So it becomes a very cool letter T toilet paper, totally terrific tabletop organizer. All right, hope you enjoyed, hope you make one and get to use some of that extra toilet paper you might have. All right, and I hope you're enjoying these videos. Thank you everyone so much. All right, thank you for watching. Stay well, everyone. Be well. Thank you.